If Siri isn't responding, try a series of fixes, starting with the simplest ones. This video walks you through basic checks first, then moves on to more advanced troubleshooting if needed. Fix 1. Check Siri settings. Step 1. Open Settings and search for Siri and search. Step 2. Make sure the options Listen for Hey Siri and Press Side button for Siri are both turned on. Fix 2. Turn Siri off and on again. If Siri is still not working, try turning it off and then back on, or vice versa. Step 1. Open Settings, then tap Siri and search. Step 2. If Listen for Hey Siri is enabled, toggle it off and then back on. If it's already disabled, turn it on instead. Fix 3. Check network connection. To ensure your network connection is working properly, you can try the following steps. Step 1. Open Settings Wi-Fi and check if your Wi-Fi connection is stable. If the network connection is unstable, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network. If you're using mobile data, check if the data connection is working correctly. Step 2. If the network is still unstable, you can try resetting network settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. After resetting network settings, your Wi-Fi and VPN settings will be restored to their default state, and network connection issues will usually be resolved. Fix 4. Turn off VPN. If you have a VPN enabled, try disabling it and check if Siri starts working again. Step 1. Go to Settings, VPN. Step 2. Turn off your VPN. After disabling the VPN, test Siri to see if it works correctly. Fix 5. Check the microphone. If the microphone is malfunctioning, Siri won't hear your commands. Check for obstructions like dirt or a phone case, and test the microphone with apps like voice memos. If it doesn't record sound, a hardware repair may be needed. Fix 6. Turn off low power mode. If Siri is not working, it might be because low power mode is enabled. Step 1. Open Settings and tap Battery. Step 2. Make sure low power mode is turned off. Fix 7. Check Apple system status. Siri may not work due to Apple server issues. Check the Apple System Status website to see if there's an ongoing outage affecting Siri or iCloud services. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the Apple System Status page. Step 2. Look for Siri in the list of services. If there is a yellow or red dot next to Siri, it means there is an ongoing issue with Siri's servers. Step 3. If Apple's servers are down, all you can do is wait until the issue is resolved on their end. In the meantime, you can check back on the system status page for updates. If everything appears to be fine on Apple's end, you can proceed with other troubleshooting steps to fix Siri not working. Fix 8. Restart iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix Siri issues. For iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, or later, press the volume and side buttons to power off, then hold the side button to turn it back on. For iPhone 6, 7, 8, or SE2 and 3R Gen, press the side button, power off, and hold the side button to restart. For iPhone SE1 Street Gen, 5, or earlier, press the top button to power off, then hold it to turn it on. Fix 9. Check for software updates. Siri may not work if your system's software is outdated. Ensure your device is running the latest iOS version by checking for software updates in the settings. Step 1. Open Settings, General, Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, download and install the latest iOS version. Fix 10. Reset all settings. If Siri still isn't working after trying all the above fixes, you may need to reset all settings. This will restore your iPhone to its default settings without deleting any data. Step 1. Open Settings, General, Reset. Step 2. Tap Reset All Settings. Fix 11. Using iOS System Recovery. If Siri isn't working on iPhone 17 Pro, try using iOS System Recovery. This tool can fix Siri issues without data loss, including problems after an update. Step 1. Launch the program and connect your iPhone via USB. On the main interface, click on More Tools and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Click Start, and the program will automatically detect potential issues such as the red screen of death, unresponsive screen, iTunes Error 21, iPhone Error 2009, and more. Step 3. Confirm your iPhone's model. If everything looks correct, click Repair. If not, select the correct model and then click Repair to begin fixing the issue. Fix 12. Contact Apple Support. If none of the above fixes work, you may have encountered a hardware issue or a more serious system error. In this case, contacting Apple Support or visiting an Apple store for a diagnostic check is your best option.